Hello, children. Welcome to EVS class. How are you all? Are you all enjoying train journey? Yes. For the past few days, we are all just imagine you are inside the train and you are also traveling along with a woman, and all the experience that you learn from a train journey is a beautiful one that should be kept in your memory. I'm glad that many of you have submitted the note at proper time, and it shows that you are studying now. Still some more are there to submit their notes, so make it fast, children. So can we start our class? Okay, so today also we are continuing the chapter from the window of a train. Let us see today what we are studying. It's something regarding not outside the train, but a very important thing by which only you can travel in a train, that is the train ticket. Let us today learn a very small topic regarding how to read a train ticket. There are so many information that you find in a train ticket. Let us see how you are going to read a train ticket. What are the information you get from a train ticket? After this session, you will be well versed to read a train ticket. When you get a train ticket, you'll quite easily you can identify all the things. Let us start, children. Okay, in screen you can see uh, an image of a train ticket, a sample copy of a train ticket where many of the places are colored. Let us deal with one by one. Okay, let us start with column number 1. As you can see, written with red color, with highlighted with yellow color. It is written PNR number. Can you see, children? First column, PNR number. So each train ticket will be having, or each passenger will be having a PNR number. PNR means passenger name record. What is it? Passenger name record. And what is the PNR number of this ticket? 24512121158. So that is a PNR number of this train ticket. Hope it is clear to all. Let's move on to the next number 2. It is regarding the train number, date, kilometer, and details of the person who is traveling with this ticket. So first is the train number 12926, that is a train number. The date of journey is 26th October 2013. Kilometer means the distance traveled by that person using this ticket is 448 kilometer distance. Later on we'll see that from where to where the train is traveling, the train is running. And from that detail you can also see adult to adult people are traveling, that is above the age of 18, and there is no children traveling with this ticket. Okay, so that is the detail in column number 2. Train number, date, kilometer, that is how much distance the train is, this the person who is carrying this ticket is traveling, and how many are traveling, whether they are adult or children. That all details you will get from column number 2. Next is column number 3. Column number 3 deals with ticket number. Okay, so ticket number is 74284437. That is the ticket number of this particular train ticket. Okay, so ticket number you can see. So we have seen the topmost portion of the train ticket, PNR number is registered. Along with that you can also find train number, date of journey, kilometer, this distance traveled, how many people are traveling, and along with that the ticket number also. Moving on to fourth column. class, that is what class, what is the type of coach they are traveling. It is written 2A means second AC, two tire with AC. Two tire means it will be having only the upper berth and the lower berth. Middle berth will not be there. So usually you can see three berths in the normal sleeper coach. And in this coach, that is second AC, means upper berth is there where you can sleep. Middle berth is missing, is not there, and lower berth is there. So that is the meaning of two tire AC 2A. Okay, so 3A is also there. That is three tire AC coaches are also there where you can find all the three berths are there. That is upper berth, middle berth, and lower berth are there. But in this, you can see 2A means two tire AC. Okay, is it clear, children? So, okay, that is the meaning of class. So, what is a class? It is second AC. Next, you can see the boarding station and the arriving station. So, boarding station where the passengers will get into the train, that is Amritsar Junction. So, the place is Amritsar Junction and they are going to New Delhi. So, from Amritsar to New Delhi, they are going. And how many kilometers from Amritsar to New Delhi? That we have already seen in that kilometer column. Okay. So this fourth column, I hope it is clear to all. It is second AC and the traveling junction stations are Amritsar Junction to New Delhi. Okay. Moving on to fifth column. Fifth column, you can find three different things. That is coach number. It is AC. So the coach number is A2. It can be SL also, like you can see for sleeper, it will be written SL or S. It is A2, which means it is AC coach. The coach number is A2. The compartment is A2 with seat number and berth is also there. Seat number is 19 for one person, 20 for another person, and the berth is LB means lower berth and UB means upper berth. So lower berth and upper berth, because only two people are traveling, as we have seen in column number 2, adult 2, which means only two people are traveling, and those two people will be traveling in A2 coach in seat number 19 and 20 respectively. And they can also use means they have to use lower berth and upper berth when there is time to sleep. Okay, so normally they can sit in the lower berth in the morning time. Morning, all the people can, those who are already all means those who are having the upper berth also, they can either you go and sit in the upper berth or they can sit in the lower berth also as per their wish. But while sleeping they have to stick on to the berth number which is specified in the ticket. Okay. Okay, next moving on to their sex and age. Both are male and with age 21 and 22. So I hope the column number 5 is clear to all. It deals with the class, seat, birth number, and the age of the person. Okay. Sorry, it is sixth column. There we have find the male and the age, that is column number 6. Okay. So column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is clear to you. Clear? So in sixth column, it is gender is given, that is they are male. Both of them are male with age 21 and 22 years. Okay. Next, moving on to column number 7. On column number 7, we have ticket fare, that is what is the cost of the ticket. For two people traveling from Amritsar to New Delhi, it cost 110 only, which means 110 rupees only. Okay, so 110 only means rupees, 110 only means 110 rupees. So when you compare with some other mode of transport, it is quite cheaper, quite means that much comfort you are getting from the train. It is not at all a hectic one. You feel very comfortable, especially in AC coaches. Very much pleasant atmosphere it is having, And the cost is, as you can see, the sleeper coach, if we have opted for sleeper coach, it will not cost that much also. So since it is AC, it is costing this much. Okay, that is a train ticket fare. That is how much amount they have to pay from traveling to from Amritsar to New Delhi. Okay, next moving on to column number 8, that is the name of the train. Okay, what is the name of the train? Paschim Express. The Paschim Express is written in column number 8 in English, and when you go see the upper portion, that is below the column number 3, it is written in Hindi also. Below column number 3, it is written Paschim Express is written in Hindi, and in column number 8 down left, it is written in English, Paschim Express. Okay. Next we have column number 9, the scheduled departure. DEP means departure. The train departure of the train is on 26/10, which means 26th of October 2013. Date is already there in column number 2. So here also it is mentioning 26/10 means it is 26th of October 2013. The train is starting from Amritsar, and the time is also mentioned as 8:10. That means morning 8 o'clock 10 minutes. Arriving at ARR means arriving at New Delhi Junction 26:10 itself. The same day it is reaching there at 16:25. What is the meaning of 16:25? It is the train time. 24-hour clock means when you are that is 12 o'clock. After 12 noon, the 1 o'clock becomes 13. That is the meaning of 24-hour clock. So the morning time will be as usual, but afternoon, what you call 12 noon, after 12 noon it is 1 p.m. That 1 p.m. will be considered as 13 in the train 24-hour clock. 13, 14, 15, like that continues up to 24. When it becomes midnight, it becomes 24. So that is the meaning of 24-hour clock. So that is usually maintained in train tickets as well as in flight tickets also the same. So there is no need of writing AM and PM. That is the thing. AM and PM will not be written. By looking at the time, you can guess whether it is AM or PM. So that is a very good thing to learn, 24-hour clock. So I'll be including some questions in the assignment column where you have to write all the details of this train ticket. So children, what you have to do is either you have to take the printout of this ticket and paste it in the notebook and write, or you have to draw this train ticket in your notebook. Okay, draw, and then you have to answer the questions that will be posted in the assignment column. So whatever is given in the assignment column, that you have to follow, you have to complete that work. Okay, so it will be posted, children, in the Google Classroom. So accordingly read the listen to this video carefully, and then repeatedly you can listen, so that you can have a look at the columns, what are the columns are specified. Accordingly you have to answer those questions which will be posted in the assignment column. Children, is it okay with you? Now are you ready to answer all the questions? Okay, it will be soon, it will be posted in the assignment. Please have a look and copy it in your notebook and complete the work. Okay, and what is written down, जननी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम नीचे लिखा है, और साइड में भी लिखा है जो जनरल अवेयरनेस के लिए, that public should know, all the details is given. And in the top you can see Shubh Yatra, happy journey. So that is the message that is given by Indian Railways. So this is how a train ticket looks like. Clear, children? I hope it is clear to all. Next time onwards, whenever you see a train ticket, you should know where. You should not ask anyone, just have a look and read it yourself. What is the train number, what is the time of departure, arrival, how much cost it is, from where to where the train is running, what is the kilometer, all details are there. So it's very important to know to read a train ticket. I hope all will be well versed after studying this particular, after having gone through this particular session. Okay children, thank you all.